name's Matthew Ritchie, Operations Manager here at the DashCam store. We sell dash cameras, we install dash cameras, we service them, basically all things dash cams. Our ultimate goal though, like with dash cameras, is actually to make roads safer. That's kind of like why we got into the business. Basically, as we started to grow, and obviously we had more orders and more things to fulfill, our inventory grew. We needed a tool to kind of, do everything for us basically. And when we came across ShippingEasy, it was one of the only platforms that we found did both of our needs. It was just one place. It's literally just all there, one screen, and it's super easy and mainstream. We tried a few softwares that, we liked the inventory side of it, but again, they didn't allow us to do any shipping. So it was a lot of back and forth, and that kept us, we were having to go in and do things manually rather than having the tool do it for us. The Y'all's customer service tech support is amazing, especially when it comes to your inventory and your shipping. If you need to get products out and there's an issue, you need it resolved immediately. There's never been a time I haven't called and within 3 to 4 rings, somebody picks up the phone. They're super nice, very easy to talk to, and there's never been a time they haven't had been able to resolve the issue basically. It works great with our back end for our website. It's just plug and play. So everything we do there immediately flows over to the back end. So if somebody goes to our website, if it says it's in stock, it's definitely going to be in stock because it's put into ShippingEasy first. And that is the number one thing I like. Because before, you could take inventory, but then you had to, put it here and then go to the back end of the website, make sure it's there, and then double checking. Where now it's like, well, if you know an item's low on inventory, go to ShippingEasy and look at that number, you know that number is right. If you need the inventory and you need the shipping, it only makes sense for it to be in one place.